Hi guys, in this video we will study an adiabatic process. So in adiabatic process, the rule is heat transfer between system and surrounding is zero. So no heat transfer can take place. So let us take piston cylinder arrangement. Now we will insulate the walls of piston and cylinder so that heat transfer doesn't take place between system and surrounding. And we will take ideal gas as our system. So these are the particles of ideal gas. Let us say air is our ideal gas. And Pi, Vi and Ti are the initial pressure, volume and temperature of the system. Now we are expanding this piston a little bit upward. And because of this gas particle will occupy this space. And hence expansion of the gas will take place. So the system will expand, and because of this temperature of gas will fall down. Now equation for the adiabatic process is PV raised to gamma is equal to constant. Here value of gamma depends of type of gas inside this volume. Now for air, its value is approximately 1.4. Now let us say we are expanding gas from volume Vi to volume Vf. And our initial pressure is Pi, initial temperature is Ti, final pressure is Pf, and final temperature is Tf. Now we will derive the equation of work which is done by the system in this expansion process. So W is equal to initial volume to final volume PdV. And let us actually draw the PV diagram so we can understand this process better. This is our initial state and this is our final state. And this curve is equal to PV raised to gamma is equal to constant curve. So area under the curve represents or gives the value of work done by the system in this expansion process. So we'll put this P in terms of V here. So Vi to Vf C upon V raised to gamma dV. Now we can write W is equal to, we can take constant outside of integrand. So Vi up Vf dV upon V raised to gamma. So it will be negative gamma plus 1 . Now we will take this constant outside. So 1 minus gamma Vf raised to 1 minus gamma minus Vi raised to 1 minus gamma. Now P1 V1 raised to gamma is equal to P2 V2 raised to gamma is equal to constant. So we can put constant is equal to P1 V1 raised to gamma. Actually Pi Vi, Pf Vf. Now we will simplify this equation. We will take this Vi term outside. So we can write Vf upon Vi 1 minus gamma minus 1. Now if we simplify this equation, we will get Pi 1 minus gamma Vf upon Vi 1 minus gamma minus 1. So this equation gives us work done by the system in expansion of gas from initial volume Vi to final volume Vf. Now we can also use first ideal gas equation. So Pi Vi is equal to Mr Ti. Ti is initial temperature. So we can replace this Pi Vi here to get this value of W in terms of Ti. Now we will use first law of thermodynamics. Delta U system is equal to heat added to the system minus work done by the system. Since this is an adiabatic process, Q is equal to 0. No heat transfer between system and surrounding. So delta U system is equal to negative work done by the system. Here negative sign indicates that as work is done by the system on environment, its internal energy decreases. So internal energy of system is converted to work which is done by the system on environment. If we push the system adiabatically, then we are doing work on the system. So in this case, internal energy of system will increase. So we can write delta U system is equal to W. So whatever work we are doing is increasing internal energy of the system. So work done on the system is equal to increase in internal energy of the system.